crying, it wants to be fed. Comfort is as important to the baby as it is for the mommy. Make sure to never lay the baby down to feed it and to never leave it unsupervised while eating. While feeding your baby, make sure the nipple is correctly in the mouth. If your baby is screaming or squirming during feed, he or she should probably needs to be burped. To correctly burp your baby, make sure you have a burp rag on your shoulder. Put the baby's head by your shoulder and pat its back gently. Babies may need to be burped 2 or 3 times during feeding. If your baby is a newborn under 3 months, tip the milk out within 20 minutes after the feed. When your baby has finished bottle, tip any leftover milk out. Bacteria from the baby's mouth can be in the milk. Rub baby's back gently, round in circles movement until he has burped. They find it hard to burp on their own. Your baby's done.